Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to week 14, where we'll talk about gaming entertainment. I've actually also added cruising in this segment as well, so that we can kind of continue to look at all of the different aspects of hospitality. And this week, more than any other, kind of puts together a lot of what we've been talking about. You have hotels, you have restaurants, you have recreational activities, you have different ways to relax and explore, and the gaming entertainment industry or casinos is certainly one aspect of being able to do some of that, as well as cruise ships, which puts it all together and includes the gaming entertainment industry on most of its options. So I do hope that you look forward to exploring some of the material this week, thinking and keeping in mind career opportunities. Maybe there are, parts of hospitality that you've learned about in previous weeks, but it wasn't quite right for you. For example, you like the idea of working in a hotel or, facilities management, but you don't want to be stuck in one place, for example, then maybe doing so on a cruise ship might be something that could blend a couple of your different passions. There's so many different things to look at. And, specifically when we think about COVID-19 and the impact that it's had on hospitality, it's definitely had it as well on the Las Vegas Strip and where we associate many of the gaming entertainment options, as well as cruise ships, which have basically been grounded. Or dry docked, I guess you would call it. So, it is important, as we have seen a pause in some of these opportunities to explore this segment of hospitality. There are signs that they're emerging, and I did find a nice video on best cruise ships for 2021 that I hope that you'll watch and be able to get a feel for. The other portion of gaming and entertainment is really the opportunity to learn or do something that you like. And so some entry level positions might include, being a dealer at a card room in the area or in Las Vegas, as an entry level position. So there really are a lot of different options to go with this one. So I do hope that you enjoy it. There are no assignments due. So I please encourage you, if you do have some missing assignments, to take this opportunity this week while we don't have anything pressing that's immediately due, to take a look and make sure that you've gotten grades for everything so far that you've turned in. I will be grading the remaining things that have been submitted in the last week in the next 2 days. But if there are previous assignments that maybe you overlooked, please take an opportunity to submit them so that I can make sure that I give you credit for all of the hard work that you're doing this semester. As always, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I do have office hours on Tuesday through Zoom that are posted and available. Thank you so much. Have a great week. Bye.